Hey guys, today we're going to be making one of my all-time favorite Vietnamese dishes. It's a rice dish with grilled pork and pork belly, a fried egg, and some herbs. Using today is just short grain rice. It's something I had lying around in my pantry. It's really easy to cook. It's just equal parts rice to water. I think I used a cup and a half to a cup and a half. Just give it a quick rinse, put your water in there, and put it in the rice cooker. And with our pork, I've made this exact recipe in a previous video. I'll put the recipe in the description below, and I'll also link you to the videos that you saw this in. And then with our ground pork, just want to make little meatballs, as big or as small as you want. Obviously the smaller they are, the quicker they cook. So just do what floats your boat. For me, I like about this size. Works out perfectly. Just do it until you have no more ground pork, and then you're left with a plate of this. Put it right in your fridge. And this sauce is really easy. I'll leave the recipe down below. It's just water, fish sauce, sugar, vinegar, and that's it. And any garnishes that you want in there. And this is scallion oil. Really simple. So here I have just like a bunch of diced up scallions, and then I added a little bit of peanut oil. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put it in the microwave for 1 minute, and that's it. It is that simple, but it becomes very fragrant. I mean, there's no use in dirtying up another pot. See, it's already done. Then now we can start cooking our meat. And usually this dish is grilled, but I don't have any charcoal today, and I forgot to go get some, so we're gonna do it in a pan. So all you need to do is heat up your pan till it's nice and hot, and just cook it just like this. The pork belly will take no time at all. You want to cook it to, as how you would like your bacon. For me, I like it a little bit crispier, so I'm gonna keep cooking it till it's crispy. And with the pork meatballs, you can just let it sit there and caramelize on each side. What I like to do is I like to cook it on one side for about 2 minutes, and then flip it over, let that other side cook for another 2 minutes, and then flip it over to build another nice sear. You have to remember not to go too aggressive because there is sugar in this. So if you go too hard, you're gonna burn it. And you don't want that burnt, bitter flavor on your meatballs. And you see now, nice and caramelized. And the pork belly now, you see it's a little crispy. There's a little bit burnt, but it's okay, it's the sugar. You can take it out now, and it's gonna be nice and crispy. It's gonna add a lot of textural contrast to this dish when we're done. And the meatballs should be done pretty soon too. So you can take it out now. And man, it smells so good. The only downside about cooking this is it dirties up your stove. So I got some cleanup to do. Then after this is done, we're gonna get rid of that. And then I like my eggs sunny side up, or however you want. I like a runny yolk. You can scramble it if you want to, or whatever. But once it's done, it's time to assemble the dish. And we do have a little plate of herbs here, some cucumber, mint, cilantro, some cut up green leaf lettuce, pickles that we made. And then plating is easy. I like to put rice on half of the plate because I don't want our fresh herbs sitting on top of that rice steaming and getting all wilty and all that stuff. So yeah, just put everything just like this, how I'm doing. Eggs on one side, and make sure that everything is presented nicely and everything's up front. And here we are. I did garnish our rice dish with some honey roasted peanuts that I just cut up roughly. And man, look at our egg. Gorgeous. Our pork meatballs are sexy. That scallion oil is just making everything glisten. The crispy pork belly. Our fresh herbs, our pickled daikon and carrots. Oh man, you gotta dig in now. So what we're gonna do is I like to drizzle this sauce all over everything. And the way you eat this is you're just gonna mix everything together, so every bite should be the perfect bite. Get a little bit of everything in every bite. And here, oh man, gratuitous egg yolk shot. I had to do that, guys. You know I had to. I mean, what do you even say to that? You just say nothing. You just start digging in and devouring everything. Some egg, here's some pork meatball. Oh man, look at this, guys. Look at it. Glistening, delicious. Try to get a little bit of this. Let's get some pork belly in here. It should be crispy like bacon, how I like it. So look at it again. the sauces and everything is caramelized in it. Get some rice, get some egg, get some little bit of everything. I'm terrible at using forks. I don't know why. It's easier for me to use chopsticks, but I'm gonna leave you guys with a really good bite. And guys, thank you so much for watching. Hit the like button, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and leave comments below. Let me know what you want to see and how I'm doing. All right, guys, love you. Peace.